welcome to Zoomania. Today's topic is home sparrows or house sparrows. The house sparrow is a bird of a sparrow family, Passeridia, found in most parts of the world. It is a small bird that has a typical length of 16 centimeters and a mass of 24 to 39 grams. Females and young birds are colored pale brown and gray. Males have a brighter black, white, and brown markings. One of about 25 species in the genus Passer, the house sparrow is native to most of Europe, the Mediterranean basin, and a larger part of Australia. Intentional or accidental introduction to many regions, including parts of Australia, Africa, and the Americas, make it the most widely distributed worldwide bird. The house sparrow is strongly associated with human habitation and can live in urban or rural settings. Though found in widely varied habitats and climates, it typically avoids extensive woodlands, grasslands, and deserts away from human development. It feeds mostly on the seeds of grains and weeds, but it is an opportunistic eater and commonly eats insects and many other foods. Its predators include domestic cats, hawks, and many other predatory birds and mammals. Because of its numbers and association with human settlements, the house sparrow is culturally prominent. It is extensively and usually unsuccessfully persecuted as an agricultural pest. It has also often been kept as a pet as well as a being food items and a symbol of lust, sexual potency, commonness. Though it is widespread and abundant, its numbers have declined in some areas. The animal's conservation status is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List. Social behavior. The house sparrow is very social bird. It is gregarious during all seasons when feeding, often forming flocks with other species of birds. It roosts commonly while brooding nests are usually grouped together in clumps. House sparrow also engage in social activities such as dust or water bathing and social singing, in which birds call together in bushes. The house sparrow feeds mostly on the ground, but it flocks in trees and bushes. At feeding station and nest, female house sparrows are dominant despite their smaller size, and they can fight over males in the breeding season. House sparrows sleep with the bill duct underneath the scapular feathers. Outside of the reproductive season, they often roost commonly in trees or shrubs. Much common chirping occurs before and after the birds settle in the roost in the evening, as well as before the birds leave the roost in the morning. Some congregating sites separate from the roost may be visited by the birds prior to settling in for the nights. Dust or water bathing is common and often occurs in group. Anting is rare. Head scratching is done with the leg over the dropped wings. As an adult, the house sparrow mostly feeds on the seeds of the grains and weeds, but it is opportunistic and adaptable and eats whatever foods are available. In towns and cities, it often scavenge for food in garbage containers and other eating establishments to feed on leftover food and crumbs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Zoomania.